Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel SummarizedAI. As part of this video, we will talk about LangChain and see its implementation. If you wish to see LangChain in detail, you can go ahead and check out my earlier video which I have created for LangChain in detail. But to cover things quickly in less time, you can refer this particular video. So let's go ahead and start without wasting time. Suppose when you ask ChatGPT or Gemini a question, it usually replies based only on what it is trained on. But what if you want your AI to access your own data, search live information, or perform real-time actions like summarizing a document, analyzing a file, or even calling an API? That's where LangChain comes in picture. So let's imagine a scenario. You have built an AI-powered content summarizer app using OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 through LangChain. It's working beautifully fine. There is no issue. But your app is growing fast and costs are becoming a concern. Then one day, Google announces that Gemini Pro API or the other Gemini model is now cheaper or even free for developers. Of course, you would want to switch, but does that mean rewriting your whole app code again? Of course not. Not with the LangChain. Yep, you heard me right. Not with the LangChain. We are not going to write this code again. And this is one of the coolest things about LangChain is how effortlessly you can switch in between different LLMs by changing the 3 to 4 lines of code. Yeah, this is very easy. If you wish to change from OpenAI to ChatGPT 4 or Anthropic's Claude or Llama, you can make a change like in next 10 minutes and your app will be up and running after making 3 to 4 line changes. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and see the implementation. Yep. So if you see my screen here, we are importing LangChain Google GenAI dependency, okay, to get the generative AI. So we can take this LLM model and the API key, and using this LLM model and API key, we can call this particular LLM, okay, using this particular prompt template, which is LangChain core, okay, which LangChain core prompts allow us to create a prompt template, okay. And when we combine this prompt template and LLM, we are able to invoke it, and after invoking it we are able to get the response. Now if I change this particular code to OpenAI's code, it will be very easy. We will be able to change it. So in place of LangChain Google GenAI, we're gonna say LangChain OpenAI, okay, and here also I'm going to say OpenAI, okay. Now because we have changed OpenAI here, it should be here also, and then we have to change the model from Gemini 2.0 Flash to GPT 4o Mini. Okay, now this got changed. Now, apart from this, the only other change is required with the key because the key what we are using here is the Google API key. Now we have Open API key. So we changed on the 3 lines, this one, and this one. Now, if I run this particular code, I will be able to see the output from OpenAI. Earlier, we were seeing from the Google Gemini. So let it get run. We are asking to explain Python in 1 line. Let's see. Yep, it is saying response. Okay, that's fine. No problem. Let me run it again. Yep, it got succeed correctly. Okay, and if you see, like after I wrote, like you can see, we have a code here of 10 lines, but we might be having a code of 300 to 400 lines, which will be using the same functions and the API key, okay, to access any LLM model. Just to make change in the 3 lines, we are able to change the complete LLM model. Okay. Now, this is one of the thing about LLM model. The another thing we have in the LLM is the chaining. Okay, how chaining works is suppose you are running some prompts. Okay, and one prompt which is giving an output is the input from the for the next prompt. If you see an example here, I have a prompt just to summarize any topic. Okay, now if this particular prompt will go to a LLM model, either of the LLM model, it will give me the response. summarize that particular topic. Okay. But what I want is whatever output I'm getting, I want to convert that summary into 3 points. Okay. Then again, I will pass this to a LLM model and then it will return me a 3 pointer summary. Okay. So this means the output of this particular LLM model is an input of next LLM model prompt. So this is nothing but a chaining. We can have a number of LLM models calling one after another. Okay. So go back and let's see the implementation of this chaining. Okay. So here I have imported the LangChain OpenAI Chat OpenAI library. Okay. Then this we have core prompts, what we had earlier. Now here we are having the output parser, which is nothing but to parse and process the output from the LangChain model. Okay. Then here we have the Open API key. Now this is I have given a topic where I can provide the topic for which I wish to have a summary and the 3 pointers. You can give anything. You can give any country name, car, or any programming language, anything, any topic you can give it here. It will provide the summary of that particular topic. Okay. Now here we are loading the Chat OpenAI model. Here we are passing the LLM model name and we have a API key. Now we have got the object of the output parser. So whatever output we are going to get, we have to get that output parser in a specified format. So that's where we are using this string output parser to get that particular output in a string. Now again, we got the prompt template. We created a template and passed our topic as a variable. So summarize this particular topic. It will summarize it. Now, once we got the prompt template, we will merge the prompt template with the LLM and the parser. When this line will get executed, it will give me the response. It will give me the response, okay, as a summary chain. And then summary chain will invoke this particular topic, whatever we had here, okay. Then we will get the complete response here in the summary. Now, whatever response we got, and we earlier discussed, this summary is going to be a input for the next prompt. So here I have created one more prompt. In this particular prompt, I'm saying convert the summary into 3 short points. Okay. Now we got the points prompt. Then again, we are doing the same thing. We are merging the points prompt LLM and parser. It will give me the chain. If we invoke this particular chain, it will provide me 3 points that we are printing here. So let me go ahead and execute this particular code. Okay. First, it'll give it me the summary I'm not printing. It is going to be like 6 to 7 paragraphs. Out of those 6 to 7 paragraphs, we are finally getting 3 pointers of that summary. Yep. So you see, I got the summary here in 3 points. So this is what we have for LangChain and the chaining in the LangChain, how it works. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and want to see more video on AI, don't forget to like and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.